Bismillah. Dear student, today we start second word of this scene pair, and that is sheen. Sheen say share. Sheen say share. Sheen say share. Sheen say shock. Sheen say shock. Sheen say shock. You may call branch. Sheen say shock. Sheen. Sheen. Next word is sheen say shaljam. Turnip. You may call in English turnip. Sheen say shaljam. Sheen say shaljam. Sheen say shaljam. Sheen. Sheen. Next word is sheen say shaheen. Sheen say shaheen. Shaheen is the name of bird. Sheen say shaheen. Sheen say shaheen. And the next word is sheen say shuturmurg. Sheen say shuturmurg. You may call in English ostrich. Sheen say shuturmurg. Sheen say shuturmurg. Sheen say shuturmurg.